What's up, everybody? I'm back installing my algae scrubber, and I tell you, I thought it was going to be a hard job, but it was more like a 1, 2, 3 snap on, adjust this, rearrange the wires. But so far, I got everything hooked up, so now I'm just installing the pump. And I want to make sure that the pump is placed right. And I also picked up a gate valve, and I attached the gate valve onto the algae scrubber base, because I want to make sure I have control over the flow, because you don't want your flow to be streaming down too fast. You want to make sure that the flow is at a steady pace. And I'm also got to make sure that the algae scrubber is right over the water, because I just don't want to be hearing that chickle, especially when I'm going to sleep. I want to make sure everything is adjusted the way I like it. And it's a very tedious process, because you got to make sure that water is not too fast and it can't be too slow. And I don't like for that water to be making a lot of noise, so it got to be just right for myself. But in the meantime, I'm impressed. I like how it looks in my sump. When I first got it, I thought it was too small, but now, as I got it in, I'm kind of pleased with it. I really like how it looked. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update and let y'all see that the Santa Monica algae scrubber is now hooked up. And with this here unit, you have an option of the 2 lights and the 4 lights. So I got the 2 lights because I only got a 40 breather and my sump is 25 gallon. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick update in a couple of weeks to let y'all see how, this algae scrubber is picking up. This your boy T40. I'll talk to you guys on the next update. May God bless you, and I'll see you later. Peace.